I've used only paper and glue, but you can also use scissors. I've used one side printed paper, so I have basically recycling the paper. First of all, you need to fold it into half, and then I'm going to cut it into two pieces. You can use scissors or you can just do simply with the hand. Now after you cut it into two pieces, take each piece and again fold it into half to make it into more pieces. So you will have 4 strips of paper from one A4 paper. Similarly, make more strips of paper and join the strips by just gluing them together. After you glue the strips, you just need to fold it like shown, see, like this. You can see the extra strips on both sides. One strip you're going to fold it inside and make it like a shape of pentagon. You have to work slowly so that you get the exact shape of a pentagon and fold it. The extra strip I'm folding it back. So you'll have a pentagon here, and the long strip you will keep on folding. See, exactly like this, so that you will keep it in line and fold it. See, you're going to get a pentagon. Now when the strip is about to be finished, I'm going to add more to it. So what I did was that the next strips I pasted it facing the printed side down so that I'll have a white star, and you need to glue more pieces and keep on folding until you think it's okay and stiff enough. So you can see I've folded the pentagon shape, and the last part I'm folding it inside and keeping it inside. If you want, you can glue it, but I think this is fine. Now once you have the shape, what you have to do is you have to find the center of the sides and push them inside slowly. So I'm going to find each center and push slightly inside with my finger. So you will get the shape like this. Once all the sides are folded, it will be easier for you to fold with all the fingers into the shape of a star. See, once you fold it, and now this, I have an extra piece here, so I'm just sticking it to it, so it will exactly look like a star. You know, the last folded paper is like that, so I have just stuck it, and now I have the star. You can vary the sizes of the stars using thinner strips or wider strips. I made the smaller ones by making A4 into 8 pieces, but the bigger one I just divided the A4 into half to make the big star.